It's time to talk weather. I was just talking to Jeremy here during the break about the lake water because it's only been a few weeks that we've really had this kind of real summer weather.
Yeah.
You were kind of keeping track of the lake temperatures, the water temperatures themselves. They were pretty cool when we started even just a few weeks ago, but already it's having an impact, all this hot weather that we're having.
Yeah, you know, it's one of those ones where that initial week we started watching, we went from the 50s into the low 60s and then quickly from the low 60s to the mid 60s. And even just being in the lake a week ago and then today or even the Spokane River, I was out there today, absolutely a ton warmer. It's crazy how fast this warms up. But when you're talking daytime highs up near 90 degrees and overnight lows dropping down to not even the temperature of some of those lakes, you're just going to have warming going almost constantly, and that's kind of what we have going on. Plenty of sunshine and warm temperatures in the forecast. Latest drought monitor does trim back drought just a bit. You can kind of see the area right there where we trimmed it back. And that's of note because, let's skip this. That's of note because July, wow, there we go, June, July, we are in July, has been rather wet. Almost a third of an inch of rain so far this month. And looking back all the way to 2017, only 1 year offers more moisture than this, and we still have a little bit of month left. Right now, dominated by high pressure, no real chance of moisture, but as we get into tomorrow morning, we might see a little something in eastern Washington and parts of North Idaho as the sun comes up. That'll be after the sun comes up, so we'll already be awake. No big deal there. Eventually it moves out, and as it does so, it's a different threat. It's windy conditions coming out of the Cascades, and along with some of that wind, it's a very dry atmosphere and the potential for some elevated fire risk. That elevated fire risk is basically the possibility for rapid grass fire spread, the grasses that have already started to dry out. That's going to be where we are going to focus. And really, it's not a full-on red flag warning, but it's just one of those ones where we say, hey, if you're in this area, just basically you have dry grass, just watch, be careful. You know what you're doing. We're getting to that time of year, and I have to be the guy who says, you know what you're doing. We're getting to that time of year. That being said, hot and sunny for the next 7 days ahead. Hard pressed to find any moisture. I didn't put a raindrop on tomorrow morning because even if we get it, it'll be a couple of drops, and that's it.